In this video, I'll show you the two different fuse box locations on your Mazda Protege. So the first location, you need to go down in the driver footwell and you're gonna notice there's this panel over here where it says fuse box. Simply need to unclip it, okay? Press here, remove this panel, and you're gonna have a fuse box diagram on this side telling you which fuse is which. And over here you have your fuses. Very easy to have access to these. For the second fuse box location, we need to pop the hood. Okay, so let's go over there. Again, very easy. You're gonna go on the right side and it says fuse box. Unclip this, and again on this cover you're gonna have a fuse box diagram. And over here you have your second fuse box location with some relays as well. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, but also leave a comment down below if this video was helpful. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.